custom designed. This thing was built in 2019. Luxurious single-story living. This is owner-inspired mid-century modern with really high-end finished hardscape out here. We got exposed beams, vaulted ceilings, a grand entrance, all with the mid-century modern flavor, but don't take my word for it. Let's go take a look inside. Now, thoughtfully designed, mid-century modern living. I mean, just look at these floor-to-ceiling windows here. There is so much light in this home. And then this expansive deck right here, it's a ton of extra living space. An entertainer's dream with all of the space inside the kitchen, the flow of the home, not to mention this huge 1.42 acre property, fully fenced, great for pets, great for families. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Give me a call, text, or email. Thanks.